Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of near about 80 WPM. Ready. The petitioner, who was serving with the respondent corporation as assistant executive engineer has approached this court impugning the communication dated 4/10/2011 Annexure P11, whereby he has been asked to deposit the salary and allowances for the period his notice tendering resignation was short from the minimum required period of 6 months. Full stop. Briefly, the pleaded facts are that the petitioner was appointed as assistant engineer wide appointment letter dated 10/5/2007. Full stop. One of the clause in the appointment letter provided that the service can be dispensed with by giving 3 months notice from either side. Full stop. The petitioner was promoted as assistant executive engineer wide order dated 27/1/2011. Full stop. As the petitioner was selected in the irrigation and flood control department, government of India at Delhi wide letter dated 16/5/2011, he tendered his resignation, giving 3 months notice, full stop, in anticipation of acceptance of resignation letter, the petitioner submitted his departure report on 15/8/2011, full stop, immediately on 17/8/2011, the petitioner was intimated that till such time his request for relaxation of the mandatory period of 6 months for tendering a resignation is considered, he should remain in service, and in case he wants to leave before the expiry of the notice period, he may deposit the salary for the period which is short, full stop. The plea of the petitioner for relaxation of the notice period of 6 months was rejected. Wide communication dated 26/8/2011 bracket annexure P9 bracket close, full stop. The petitioner represented for reconsideration of the matter referring to the terms mentioned in his appointment letter, where the notice period was mentioned as 3 months, full stop. Even that request was rejected. Wide communication dated 4/10/2011 bracket annexure P11 bracket close, which has been impugned in the present writ petition, full stop. On the other hand, learned counsel for the respondents submitted that the services of the petitioner was governed by Punjab State Electricity Board, Service of Engineers within bracket Civil Regulations 1965 bracket for short, the regulations bracket close, full stop. The said regulations provide for all the conditions of service of assistant engineer and also the assistant executive engineer, full stop. To plead that the petitioner was unaware of the service regulations applicable to him is totally misconceived, full stop. Regulation 14 of the aforesaid regulations clearly provides that the notice for termination of service by either side shall be 6 months in the case of assistant executive engineers and 3 months in the case of assistant engineer, full stop. After the petitioner had been promoted as assistant executive engineer, notice period for termination of service shall be 6 months, full stop and over. तो ये हमारी 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर लीगल डिक्टेशंस।